How to add cash on delivery on Shopify step by step. Hello, everyone, and welcome back. In today's video, I'll be showing you guys how you can add a cash on delivery option for your Shopify store because we all know that even though most people prefer to pay with credit right now, sometimes customers don't want to pay with their credit and they want to be able to pay for the product when they receive it. This can be especially true if your brand does not have a lot of recognition because people don't know whether or not your products are going to be the same as advertised. They don't trust your site as of yet. So, for that purpose, customers want the option to check out with cash on delivery. Now, why do cash on deliveries matter? Because if you don't include this option, even though most of your customers might not go for this delivery option, this limits your sales. And this can actually, even if a customer was planning to order via credit, if they see that there's no option for cash, they might want to skip and not order. So, we're going to be adding cash on delivery on our Shopify store step by step. And let's jump right in. So, to do this, you're just going to go onto your Shopify store dashboard. Once you are in your store dashboard, you are going to click on Settings on the bottom left. Once you click on Settings on the bottom left, you will see this option called Payments. Click on Payments on the left panel, and once you click on Payments, you will see different ways that customers can pay you for the product. This includes payment providers. Payment providers are usually the third party applications like Stripe, Klarna, or any other payment provider that allows you to accept credit cards, that allows you to accept Apple Pay, Google Pay, and all of that. And these are the payment methods: Apple Pay, Google Pay. Whereas if you scroll down, you will see the section called Manual Payment Methods. This is what you're looking for. This is called a manual payment method because you're going to add it yourself and you can customize what it says. So you're going to click on Manual Payment Method over here. And once you click on Manual Payment Method, you will see four options. You can create a custom payment method from scratch. This can usually be reflective of wire transfers or mobile transfers within your country. However, we're looking to add cash on delivery, which is actually an option under manual payment methods. So just select cash on delivery from here. Now, once you do that, they will ask you to add additional details and payment instructions. Now, a lot of times people write payment instructions over here. I actually like to write this right under additional details because it just provides the customers with more information about how to order. So, this is going to be a simple detail about cash on delivery. So, I'm going to write something like pay with cash to the delivery driver upon delivery of products, like this. And after that, in the payment instructions, I like to add a little bit of detail for the customer to know. So for my payment instructions, I will write keep the courier will call you before arrival because they usually do. And whatever your procedures with your shipping partner is, you can tell them to always call before they go for these types of orders. Then I also will write a note for my customers, which is going to be please keep the exact change ready before your product slash S or bracket S arrive. And I will click on activate cash on delivery. Just like that, our cash on delivery is now activated. How can we check whether or not it's working well? And how do we, ensure that I'm able to capture the addresses of the people that I'm delivering the product to? Because sometimes customers like to add a different billing address and a different shipping address. So simply open up your online store and open up your products. Click on Buy It Now over here. This will lead you to the checkout page. Below that, you will see I have my shipping method and then I have my payment. Payment is directly selected as cash on delivery because I have not added any other type of payment. Then it asks for the billing address, so whether it's the same as the shipping address or different from the shipping address. And just like that, we have set up cash on delivery for our product on Shopify. Now, this is just a simple way to add cash on delivery. If you want to include other payment methods, you can also do that very easily because you do want to ensure that customers have multiple different options to be able to pay you because customers usually do see, multiple payment methods and they feel more comfortable when a site has different options for them. So, for that reason, if you are looking to include another payment option, simply head on over to Shopify and open up your Shopify dashboard. Once you open up your dashboard, click on Settings on the bottom left, click on Payments, and you will add a payment provider. Now, if you're looking to include a specific method of payment, for example, you're specifically looking for PayPal, you can search via payment method and you can search for PayPal, let's say, or let's say I am searching for Visa. I can select Visa over here. And what this will do is that this will display all of the payment providers that have Visa enabled as a payment method. Usually, whenever you are selecting a payment method, or a payment provider, you want to just look for the lowest possible transactional fee. The lowest possible fee that I see on Shopify is 2%. That is the standard fee, and almost all of the payment providers are charging that. So I can go back and I can even search via provider. So just click on choose a provider. This will show you the different providers available and the different types of payment methods that each individual provider has. You can also filter them out by clicking on this top right icon and select the payment methods that you are looking for. If I'm looking for Google Pay, only Aiden Payments is currently offering that. If I'm searching for ELO, only Pac Brazil is offering that. If I'm looking for Discover credit cards, I have a few different options for that. So you can choose the specific type of payment method that you are looking to filter out. Once you have a provider of your choice, you can just click on that provider over here. Click on install, and you will install the provider application onto your Shopify store. Once you do that, after that, all you have to do is just set up your account with the payment provider if you don't have one already. If you already have one, you can just click on Manage Account and log on to your provider account. For any payment provider, you do have to create an account. There is no payment provider that allows you to just set it up on Shopify without having your account with the payment provider. So just choose a provider that is easy to set up for you and is available within your country. And you now have both cash on delivery as well as credit options for your Shopify store. It's really that simple and easy, and anyone can do it as well. I hope you guys enjoyed this video and you are now able to add cash on delivery as well as other payment options for your store. If you did, make sure to leave a like and subscribe to our YouTube channel. And if I missed anything out, leave that in the comment box down below. I would love to know what you guys have to say. If you have any questions, queries, or any other thing that you would like to know about, leave that in the comments, and I will catch you guys in the next video.